Hi, welcome to our channel. How to make and upload short videos on your YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. How many patterns are there? Now we discuss about how to making a YouTube short and upload the YouTube option. So that is I can discuss about the in the particular YouTube option. Selecting will be here. Go to video. Select option will be mobile video. That option will be 1080 by 1920 pixel. Here will be use this particular method. So what are the content you will be preparing? So first of all, you prepare the proper content. So first of all, this video. So we'll be actually here. So the website will be here. But we have to video making will be here. Based on this content. When open for the incognito window, check the keyword purpose. MEB design consultant in Bangalore. You can go with this option. No video is there in particular option. This video will be making for short video, long video, anything will be acceptance. There will be particular option is there. First of all, the URL, what are the keyword they will writing will be here. Best MEP engineering freelancer in Bangalore. Copy this keyword and research. Your website will be which position? That is compulsory. You will be track that will be very, very important. So I'm tracking here. My website will be not in the top 30 also. Check will be top 40, top 50. All image can will be visible here. But I have to same like how you can impress my video, my image, everything I can discuss here. So copy this. First of all, uploading time, theme selection will be here. Education theme. What are the education theme is there? So theme will be education theme is compass important. So here is our adding option. So here, copy this. Freelance MF design consultant. Okay. Next, add your logo option. Next page, same. Design a theme. What are education? So yeah, every page, unwanted everything, you can delete it. And what is a common on every page is the your logo. So we can go with the option will be here. A particular things will be here is the option. So we can check the designs. So how many slides you can create is compulsory important is when creating slides will be like 4 and 5 slides creating will be better. So that will be more effective by the user also when searching will be very useful. So the alignment will be always you keep on by left. That is the more effective. So we can add it. So we can making a video. So yeah, this will uploading will be along with the voice and everything will be important. So we can call for micmaster.com. So simply we can making this video will be with voice also will be here. Contact here. So voice is more effective to the compared to the all options. So that is the reason I'll give the everything will be voice oriented videos. So in everything will be based on language. We can create by the Telugu language also in particular things will be here. So here will be click for generate. They will generate particular seconds. We can look into the particular seconds will be here. This will be total 18 seconds. Click here. Click for download. Here it is. So click for it. Download the MP4 file. So download will be take some time will be here. The time will be maybe less than minute, less than 2 minutes. You have to wait for the particular patience and download the video, upload on your YouTube channel by using short option. Here it is. Open a new tab. What other video we can download will be here. Wait for the sometimes. Just it is take some time will be maximum 1 minute or less than 2 minutes of time. Wait for the seconds. So video was downloaded. What are the keyword you expecting? Same keyword. When you're posting time, you have to do this. Compulsory when uploading time, what are the title you mentioned? Same will be, we can use will be your option will be here. So upload this one. At a time you can ask your particular keyword. And one title we can add will be two keywords also will be enough to the particular things. So, yeah. So everything will be here. What are the keyword you have? So create your particular playlist and add your keywords. What are the keywords you have? Add this keyword. And any YouTube channel, the first of all important is called we have to install by the vidIQ toolbar. So that will be give the SEO score based on your writing will be here. They will be visible by the your SEO score option. So compulsory that we can use will be your particular option. So after that, very important thing is called today recording date. Based on requirement, add your particular playlist. So right now I'm adding only one playlist here. If you are to track the reporting purpose, we have another option name is called podcast will be create here along with the logo option. Logo will be selected by your logo on your particular option. Without logo will be activated. They will be not accepted your particular thing. So here, order the logo will be here. Just I'm adding sample one. Click for create. That I can changing by logo also. So here is the option. Click for done. Next, and they will support only for cards, but shorts wise don't add any screen and cards option. Click for next. There's a no copyright will be strike. So if anything your voice oriented video will be any getting strikes are here, the intimate will be here. Next option, any video we can should will be first of all private. After some time, you can move to the unlist. After some time, in between time range will be half an hour range. You can go to unlist mode will be here. Why we can upload the video will be private mode is called any particular strikes, anything we can know about your particular option. So that is the main thing. After this one, publish or publish with other premium. This will be go to the users will be live streaming purpose. So it will be live, will take some will be 2 minutes of time. Now will be people will be any interact will be in the live. The people will be not in live, but they can show will be live option on the particular users. This is nothing but is called Premier. Any publisher will be option name is called Premier that will be more effective users will getting for through live option. But YouTube short not required for live, only for long length video. You can using your Premier option, upload the video on your particular YouTube channel option. So they will start the exact 2 minutes. The YouTube shot will be played. Any further contact, they will be message here. And this one is the important. Next thing is called what are the keyword you are writing will be here. The very important is called your pin comment option. So they will be contact about this issue, this kind of information. So they will be contact directly purpose. They will be comment will be here. The comment option. Just click for pin comment. This is first of all very important. Each and every video to publish on your particular YouTube channel option. So any further question about YouTube shorts uploading on YouTube, definitely you can contact my channel and definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.